The Pantheon is an ancient temple located in Rome, Italy. The original structure was built by Marcus Agrippa in 27 BC, during the reign of Augustus. It was destroyed by fire in 80 AD and was later rebuilt by the Emperor Domitian. However, this second version of the Pantheon was also destroyed by fire in 110 AD. The current structure of the Pantheon was built by the Emperor Hadrian between 118 to 125 AD. It was dedicated to all the gods, which is why it is called the Pantheon, a word that means all gods in Greek. The Pantheon was used as a temple for several centuries, until the Roman Empire officially converted to Christianity in the 4th century. In the 7th century, the Pantheon was consecrated as a Christian church, which helped to preserve it from being destroyed or repurposed for other uses. Over the centuries, the Pantheon has undergone several renovations and restorations, and it has been used for various purposes, including as a tomb for several important historical figures, including the painter Raphael. The Pantheon is renowned for its innovative architecture and engineering. Its most distinctive feature is its massive dome, which is made of concrete and has an oculus, a circular opening in the center that lets in natural light. The dome is one of the largest unsupported domes in the world, and it is a testament to the engineering skills of the ancient Romans. Today, the Pantheon remains a popular tourist attraction, and it is also a functioning church. Visitors can explore the history and architecture of this ancient temple, and they can admire its stunning dome and oculus, which continue to inspire awe and wonder.